flower arrangement, the application of foliage materials holds an important position. Making full use of and showcasing foliage materials is beneficial for the transformation of flower arrangement art. During the operation, various techniques such as trimming, deforming, supporting the shape, and tearing, curling, folding, and pulling can be employed to alter the original shapes of the foliage materials, making the work more diverse, lively, and dynamic. The proper processing of various foliage materials helps to enhance the added value of the work and highlights the intended expression of the piece. Therefore, it is widely applied in practical operations. Today's tools include floral scissors and a stapler. The materials used are various foliage materials. Subtitle Segment 1. Leaf Trimming and Shaping Method. All foliage materials can be trimmed as needed. Some leaves with white surfaces and hard textures are often used in artistic flower arrangements. Generally, after being trimmed, they can be creatively transformed to change their original shapes and sizes, thus better aligning with the creation and aestheticness of the work. For example, leaves like palm leaves, iron leaves, and eight-cornered gold leaves with strong characteristics can also have their edges cut or torn to create some notches, such as insect bites, to naturally depict real leaves that have been attacked by animals. Important notes on leaf trimming and shaping method. Or foliage materials can be trimmed according to the needs of the creation. Subtitle: Uneven cut, smooth cut. The cut of the foliage material should be smooth. Segment 2. Leaf and stem bending. For leaves like coconut, core leaves, and private leaves, bend the leaf or stem at a certain point in a way that does not break. This can be done once or several times. Several bends can form a certain shape, enriching the line representation of the work. Segment 3. Various leaf rolling and curling methods. Some foliage materials, such as Cymbidium leaves and Brazilian wood leaves, can be altered from their original shapes by rubbing and curling. This is a method of using physical ways to transform the leaf shape. Start rolling the leaf from the tip and place it on your palm. Press it with both hands and rub it repeatedly. To make the leaf curl, it can also be curled at an oblique angle, resulting in a spiral shape after rubbing. And according to the needs of the flower arrangement, to determine the size and position of the curl, use a stapler or metal wire to secure it. The nephro lapis can utilize the long lines and the flexibility of the material itself to wrap around itself, forming loops and bands. Tearing along the wings can be used for leaves with long petioles or mid-dribs that are stiff and elongated. You can first make a small hole at the tip, bend the leaf so that the petiole passes through the hole, and it can express the curling of the leaf and closing the leaf line into an arc. This can be applied to leaves like Cymbidium, Brazilian wood leaves, and Ophiopogon. Segment 4. Leaf pulling method. Leaves with parallel veins often can be treated by tearing. For example, Cymbidium leaves can be torn along the vein patterns downwards, tearing the tip of the leaf into several strips, or tearing the center of the leaf, or removing parts of the leaf surface along the vein patterns. If not completely torn through, pulling a certain part of the leaf but not completely through can create a spindle-shaped arc-line leaf. Important notes on leaf tearing. This tearing method originates from the damage phenomena that plants experience in nature. Due to natural factors, leaves with straight vein patterns are mainly suitable for this pulling performance. Segment 5. Leaf noting. Noting foliage materials can alter the shape and expressive power of the leaves themselves. We can choose standard leaves such as Ophiophagon, coconut coir leaves, Brazilian wood leaves, etc., based on the needs of the shape, to determine the tightness of the knot. Appreciation of works. Course summary. First, based on the characteristics of the foliage materials and the needs of the work, we should correctly choose reasonable processing methods to process the foliage materials. Second, during the operation, use appropriate techniques and handle the process naturally, trying to avoid leaving artificial traces. Thank you for watching.